29th of April 2022, we have Virtainpolku 13 staircase A here in Tampere, of course, Finland, and it's also called Virtainpolku 13. Yes, in Hervanta, and the biggest suburb of Tampere, of course. Yeah. We thought these two were the last two original ValmetSchlieren elevators from the 1970s in Hervanta that we had not yet filmed, but actually there's also the elevator modernized AC that we also need to get to sometime later, but we'll get there later. It was built in late 1976, turned 45 years old in last year, 2021. It has to be late 76 because the building nearby is from 1977, so probably it's in the same style as that one also. So December SBS 4497 is going to be inspected this year in 2022. The best is 4 plus of 325 rooms with 9 floors. And it also deserves 2 rides. And we have been to the staircase here also. I'll check the call button here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's original. Right. Perfect.
Pakki väistyttää, että mietin nyt pois sillä.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, I thought that was staying speaking. That doesn't work.
Test.